Today we're going to be taking a look at Glide Gear's DNA 6000 vest and arm system. This is the perfect companion for your DNA 50/50 professional camera stabilizer. Now if you're going to be shooting for any length of time, the vest and arm system make it so much easier and so much more comfortable to work long periods of time. So let's take a look and see what we get with this system, how to put it on, and even how to adjust it. So the first thing you're going to notice when you get your DNA 6000 is that it comes in this really great carry bag. It holds the vest and arm comfortably and it protects it very, very well. Inside this bag, you're going to find the vest itself and your control arm. So next, let's put it on and I'll show you how it's adjusted. Okay, I've got the vest installed here, and it actually adjusts with Velcro straps, and it's held in place by these plastic buckles. You can also adjust the distance from your chest plate to the hip plate by pulling this pin out and pulling the unit down till it finds its new position. Basically, you want the vest to fit snugly, but you also want it to be comfortable. They do have these big padded areas on the vest itself, so it does make it really comfortable to wear, but you want it snug enough where the vest isn't going to be moving around a lot, because if you move around too much, the arm itself will kind of sway. So it's make sure that this is nice and tight to your body. You want to make sure that the lower strap is right over your hip bones and the rear pad is going to be sitting at your lower back. With this on and adjusted, you're ready to put on the arm. And a really cool thing about this is that it's kind of an ambidextrous model. You can actually connect it to the left or the right, depending on your comfort level. So attaching the arm's really, really simple. It actually slips into these two pins here. And you also have kind of a safety lock. You can turn this till it's snug in there so it's not going to actually pop out. And with the arm attached, then you are ready to put on your stabilization unit. So when you look at the arm, you're going to notice that there are two adjustment knobs. One adjustment knob for the front arm, one adjustment knob for the rear arm. Now these adjustment knobs will loosen the tension of the spring when you turn it counterclockwise. It'll tighten the tension on the spring when you turn it clockwise. When you adjust those tighter or looser, you could make the ride of the camera higher or lower depending on where you want it to sit while you're utilizing it. So when it comes to controlling the DNA 6000 vest and arm kit, you're going to have one hand placed on the handle of the stabilization unit and your other hand placed on the center column. Both hands are going to be lightly touching the stabilization unit, and the handle hand is only going to be exerting extra force when you're going to be booming the unit up and down. Your other hand is going to be lightly touching the center column so that you can direct the camera left and right for the shot. Now, going back to the vest, it's really, really important that it snugly fits to your body. If it slouches to one side, the whole arm is going to pitch in that direction. So it's important that you're standing nice, straight up and down. And when it comes to walking, you're going to want to make sure that you walk from heel to toe so you can transition one step to another very smoothly. Now, I highly recommend the vest and arm kit if you're going to get into a stabilization system. It really completes the whole experience, giving you much better results and a much quicker amount of time. So that concludes our look at the DNA 6000, and as always, thanks for watching.